Hey everyone, I'm Emma, and I have been couponing for the last 7 years. Over the years, I have learned how to get just about anything at the cheapest price possible. From household products to groceries, you name it, I've probably gotten it close to free before. And by getting all this cheap stuff, you guessed it, I was able to build a pretty awesome stockpile that I was able to live off of for years, and friends and family, well, they found a free grocery store. And at the request of my friends and family, I eventually started a coupon blog so I could share all the deals that I was getting with them. But after a year of blogging, I realized that it didn't make me happy. It was not my thing. And so now, years later, here I am on YouTube with you lovely people. Right now, my channel is all about couponing and different ways to save money. I make sure that when I post deals that I break them down extremely well to help beginner couponers learn, because I know how hard it is to try and find information as a beginner couponer. See, I believe life is all about balance. Save money on the things you have to buy and spend it on the things you want to buy. And if you're anything like me and my kids, that's usually somewhere sunny and warm after a brutal New York winter. But don't get it twisted, frugal is still in my veins. I still have hacks to save money on vacations. And that's something I also want to incorporate in this channel this year. Living your best life while still living within your means, and it is completely possible. Couponing and saving money is just who I am. So just hit that subscribe button and come follow me.